Backed by our expertise in manufacturing thousands of lens types, we deliver tailored optical design and advanced simulation services to meet specific customer requirements. A beam expander is an optical system designed to enlarge the diameter of a collimated laser beam while reducing its divergence. It is primarily used in optical equipment such as laser processing machines, optical communication systems, microscopes, and telescopes. A TIR, total internal reflection lens, efficiently collects and redirects light from a source to achieve high optical efficiency. This minimizes light loss and increases lighting efficiency. An optical system using a lens array can homogenize laser light. It is commonly integrated into optical systems, including projectors, head-up displays, and 3D printers. F-theta lenses are used when scanning a laser beam with devices such as galvanometer mirrors. They are mainly used in optical equipment for laser marking, cutting, and similar processing applications.